dear students, in this reel you can find various vocabulary words for sequencing. As you know, sequencing is very important in our writing task 1, especially for the process, for the diagram and for the flow chart. So there are different ways to enhance your band score in your writing task 1 in the process. So the first one is firstly, for the first step, initially, at the first step. After that, next to, adjacent to, further, afterwards, following that or followed by, subsequent to that or subsequently. Then adverbs you can also use like subsequently, immediately, eventually. And for the last step you can use in the end or at the last stage. If the cycle or the process is repeated, then you can use the cycle is then repeated itself. For more such reels, save this reel and follow the page on Instagram. Thank you.